Take your home decor into the next season with this cheery paper wreath and a beautiful plaque, which you can personalize with your own mantra. This wreath is so detailed, your friends and family will never believe that you made it yourself. First piece, this is your Cricut sticky pad, and you just place your paper right on the light grip mat. It's perfect for paper. Select the flower table runner design in the Cricut Design Space website. Click Make It and follow the prompts to load the paper into the Martha Stewart Cricut Explore Air 2. And repeat until every one of the 11 pieces of paper is cut. And now, here we have many, many flowers. Turn the mat upside down and pull this way. The more you bend the mat, the more they pop off. This is the wreath shape. So start with the largest petals. I like using these foam spacers to make the pretty flowers. You can also use a pencil to curl your petals. See, that gives you a nice base. And just that can go right here. Gorgeous. Position all your flowers all the way around your wreath. Use the same foam dots to make those flowers adhere to the wreath form. So pretty. And now, this beautiful plaque. Inspirational signs are so trendy right now, and it's so easy to make one of these wonderful signs with the Martha Stewart Cricut Explore Air 2. Place your vinyl right on your Cricut sticky pad. Open a new canvas in the Cricut Design Space and type your mantra. Mine, learn something new every day. Choose your font and size the text to fit within your plaque. Get this right into your machine. Click Make It, and don't forget to turn your dial to vinyl for this. There we go. So now this is called a weeding tool, and just go in at one of the lines right here so that we can start removing the negative, and you leave the letters in place. Now this is the transfer tape. This has to be put on extremely evenly, so I would start at the top. Try to get this straight line right at the edge of the paper and pull this down. And use your scraper to get out all bubbles. And then you pull the adhesive up and away from the backing. There. Now this must be put on with great care so that it's not crooked. I think that looks good. This is like absolute magic. And now pull away this adhesive. Not long ago, this had to be done at the sign makers, but now it exists so you can do it at home. Now, just hang your wreath and place your plaque. What a fun way to add something new to your house for the fall.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.